Hello students, on our ICT lesson today, we'll be looking at accessing of computer files. Accessing computer files means going through a computer file. Now, computer file can be accessed the same way they were organized. If the file was organized as a serial file, it will also be accessed as a serial file. If the file was also organized as an index file, such file will also be accessed as an index file. If the file was organized as a random file, that file will also be accessed as a random file. Now let's look at the criteria for classifying computer file. One of the criteria for classifying computer file is the nature of content of the file. If the content of the file rarely changes, or if the content of the file is static, a sequential organization is needed. If the content involves regular updates and retrieval, random access, random organization is needed for classifying such file. Another criteria for classifying file is the organization method. If the files are organized in a way that its content can be accessed randomly and not sequentially, disk media, this the place where my cursor is touching, examples of disk medium. Disk media is needed. If the file is classified as a random file, disk media will be needed. Now, another criteria for classifying computer file is the storage medium. If the file is organized and can be retrieved as a sequential file, a tape is needed for classifying such file. But if the file is classified as a random file, then a disk storage medium is needed for classifying such files. This is where our lesson will be ending for today. Let's go over to the assessment section. Question number 1. Files can be viewed in two perspectives. What are they? Question number 2. State the criteria for viewing files. Drop your answer in the comment section. That will be all for today. See you in our next demo. Thank you for watching.